Does this situation sound familiar? You are standing in front of the mirror and thinking, why me? I don't even eat excess food. So where is this extra weight coming from? Let me tell you, food is not the only reason your body shape changes. There are many silent contributors, and understanding them can help you regain control. In this video, we are breaking down the real, science-backed reasons behind weight gain. Some of them might surprise you. Starting with the lifestyle. Most of us don't notice how drastically our lifestyles have changed over the last decade. Hours of sitting at desk, long screen time, convenience foods, eating out more often, little daily movement, all of this adds up, not in a day, but over months and years. Urban living has quietly reduced our physical activity, and our bodies reflect that shift. Genes. Weight issues often run in families. And no, it is not just about shared recipes. Genetics influence our metabolism, fat storage, appetite, hormone signals, even how our brain responds to food. One fascinating study from Philadelphia examined twins raised in different homes. Even though their lifestyles were completely different, their BMIs remained strikingly similar. In short, your genes matter, sometimes even more than you realize. Energy balance. Weight gain can also come from the simplest equation: calories consumed versus calories used. You may not be overeating dramatically. However, even a small calorie surplus each day, combined with low physical activity, can gradually lead to weight gain. It is a long-term process, often so slow that we don't notice until our clothes remind us. Emotional eating. Many people eat for reasons that have nothing to do with hunger. Stress, boredom, sadness, loneliness, frustration, anger. Food becomes their comfort. And comfort food is rarely a salad. Over time, emotional eating creates patterns that are hard to break. But these patterns are treatable once you are aware of them. Medical conditions and medications. Conditions like hypothyroidism, Cushing's syndrome, PCOS in some cases, certain neurological disorders can directly impact metabolism and appetite. Additionally, medications such as steroids and some antidepressants can lead to weight gain as a side effect. Eating disorders. Conditions like binge eating disorder and night eating syndrome may not be talked about often, but they are real and increasingly recognized. Binge eating disorder involves eating large amounts of food quickly, feeling unable to stop eating even when not hungry. Night eating syndrome involves consuming most calories after the evening or even waking up at night to eat. These conditions stem from a mix of genetics, emotions, and brain chemistry. And the good news is they are fully treatable with right support. Slow metabolism. Some people gain weight more easily because their BMR, that is basal metabolic rate, is naturally lower. BMR is the number of calories your body burns at rest. Factors that lower BMR include genetics, hormonal imbalances, aging, menopause or surgical menopause, certain medications, chronic dieting, or long-term calorie restriction. When your BMR is low, even regular eating can feel like too much because your body is not burning calories efficiently. Low muscle mass. Muscle is metabolically active tissue, means it burns calories even when you are sitting or sleeping. So the less muscle you have, the fewer calories you burn throughout the day. Why do so many people have low muscle mass today? It is because of their sedentary lifestyles, lack of strength training, eating less protein, crash dieting, aging. We naturally lose muscle after 30 if we don't train them. Building muscle is one of the most powerful ways to improve metabolism. So coming back to the original question, why is the scale moving up? Weight gain is rarely caused by just one factor. It could be your lifestyle, genes, emotions, medical conditions, medications, or something as simple as a slow metabolism or low muscle mass. Understanding these layers takes away the guilt and replaces it with clarity. Weight gain is not a moral failure, it is a science. And the more you understand it, the better choices you can make for yourself. If this video helped you understand your body a little better, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.